Not everybody's going to really understand maybe you, your message, the songs you rock to, your language, or the name you wear upon your chest. When I first traveled to Asia, my very first business trip to Asia, I had to go to Taiwan and Hong Kong. It was the same company, it was the same franchise, same business, but I had to meet the owner in Taiwan first, and then I had to go to Hong Kong. And as I went to Taiwan, and again, I was excited, it's the first time in Asia. So I went to Taiwan, they greeted me with a very, very special gift. It was a name tag, which they actually made on the spot. And he said, it's going to be 3 Chinese characters, and we can make it in a way that expresses either the meaning of your name or the sound of your name. And I don't remember what I did. But it was either the meaning of their name or the sound of your name. So I got these 3 Chinese characters. My name tag, wearing it as proud as can be. And then, after leaving the office in Taipei, I get on a jet, I fly, get to my hotel room in Hong Kong. But guess what? In Taipei, they speak Mandarin. Still Chinese. In Hong Kong, they speak Cantonese. Different meaning. So here I am, waking up early in the morning, getting dressed, and I get on the subway, and much of the crowded places, like big cities like New York or Hong Kong, people are stern. They don't make eye contact. They don't smile. They're reserved. They're not truly being vulnerable. I mean, who would be on a crowded subway? But this moment was a little bit different. First person kind of looked at my name tag, looked at me and smiled. I kind of stuck my chest out a little higher. Then all of a sudden I noticed that a couple other people, these smiles started to turn into a little bit of snickers, like in those polite points like this. I didn't know what was going on. I thought it was like, here I am, the only American on a Hong Kong subway that's bringing, this energy of happiness, people smiling and laughing. And then I get to the office, and even the secretary is like, she's got a smirk on her face. I must have this special touch. I get to finally the office of the owner, and he's like, you may want to take that off. Not everybody will understand you. Apparently, I was the toilet bowl cleaner. I could flush all your problems away. The truth in life is not everybody is going to understand who you are, what you represent, what your message is, your language, the name upon your chest. But sometimes you will make them laugh. You will make them laugh just by being the uniqueness of who you are.